How to format the hard disk drive for the Swann security camera model 4580. So what you want to do first on your monitor here, you want to go down to the bottom and click on the menu button right here, and then click on setup. Now you might need to enter in the password. When you are prompted to enter in the passcode or the password, do so. Then over here on the left hand side menu, you go down and click on device. Go to the right hand side and select the hard disk. After we go down and click on format HDD. Here you need to enter in the password. Once you enter in the password, click on authenticate. Okay, so here we click on authenticate. And say, please note that formatting will remove all existing data on the storage device. Click on OK to continue. So at this point, if you are ready, click on the OK button, or you can click on the close button. Now, because I do not want to yet format my hard disk drive, so I will click on the close button. But if you are ready, just simply click on the OK button and you're good to go. And after that, just click on the apply button down here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.